In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text border color here in Canva. So I have this text just here, and we're going to go ahead and change the border color, otherwise known as the outline. Now on this text we can see this has already got a black outline or a black text border. Now to change this, you first have to understand how to add this. So let's just come onto effects and let's just go to none, because what we first want to do is simply click onto the text, come up to effects just here, and then we can use this outline. Now if we look underneath, this is where we can change that text border color or that outline color. So if we click on there, we actually have a few different options. We can use the default colors, which are just here, or if you have a color in mind which you want to use, you can add the hex code color just here. So if we click onto this little plus icon, we can add it there. We can also play around with the color palette, which is here as well, and we can use the eyedropper to choose any color which is in our design, just like that. Now once you've chosen a color that you want to use, let's just go to black like this so we can see it a little bit better. We can also change the thickness of that as well by playing around with this bar just here, and as we can see, the text border color gets thicker or thinner just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change text border color here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.